Hi, if you're a JC A-level student and you don't know about these three letters called IGP, listen up because this is important. I'm Mr. To, the founder of ETG. I've been teaching A-level economics in the last 18 years. I've taught thousands of students. I'm also the author for the A-level economics TYS answers. Okay, you're studying over 2 years for the A-levels, and it will actually definitely help if you know what kind of grades you're working towards to. So today I'm going to shed some light to what is this thing called, which is integrative grade profile. Okay, so the IGP is actually something that the local universities in Singapore like NUS, NTU, SMU, SUSS, they release these IGP every year. So you want to be actually making sure that you're looking at the IGP to get a sensing to what you want to be working for. So what does the IGP provide you with? The IGP provides you with the 10 percentile score and a 90th percentile score. So the 90th percentile score is not very important. Okay, you should be focusing on just the 10 percentile score. Simply put, the 10 percentile score is the benchmark of what you should be minimally working towards so that you can get a good chance to getting to this specific course of your choice. Now, I'm just going to give you a preview of some of the courses that you can get into if you score these kind of grades for A-level. So for instance, if you score straight A's for your H2s, these are the courses that you will have good opportunity. These are the courses that you'll likely be able to get into. And if you score straight Bs, these are the courses that you will likely be able to get into. And if you score straight Cs, then your choices are restricted to these choices. Okay, so looking at this IGP, you can easily search it up and it should be, these are all transparent information, and this will actually help you to set goals to work towards too. Of course, doing best. Of course, the best thing to do is to try to score as well as you can for every subject. And if you want to get that A for A-level economics, okay, check out the ETG program at tuitiongenius.com.